Thank you very much. Yeah.
All right, so Ladi, that's very optimistic.
Yeah.
The NGX is trading green at this time. We're happy to hear that, but we hope no negative surprises.
Right, even though we've seen profit taking already.
Exactly.
Ending the quarter, but let's see what happens.
I mean, last week was really heavy on profit taking. We hope to see
maybe a bullish fourth quarter. Maybe, just
maybe to make Christmas.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Ili.
You.
All right, let's look at other markets now. Definitely, we know the crypto market. That one doesn't sleep, but it's all red. Even though we saw that big rally with Bitcoin there, it did touch 28,500, but it's lost that now. Big drop, 1.5%. Ethereum down by 3.17%. Let's look at the sentiment in the market now. It's neutral. So traders are not afraid, and they're not bullish at this point. So it's neutral, 50 points, just right there in the middle. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies we track. We see Binance there, BNB 214, also lost a big chunk there, 1.66%. Ethereum, 1,006, down 3.17%, bigger drop than what we have with Bitcoin at 1.50%. And we see XRP, even though it's still holding this 50 cents level, did have a big drop, 2.43%. Let's look at the top gainers now. Let's see who's topping that counter. BSV there, 15%, double-digit gain, $41.03. Gala, that's from the Metaverse platform there, 1 cent, up 3.42%. So yeah, it's still about Nigeria at 63. We've seen, blockchain technology come into the picture maybe about the past 7 years or so. So let's bring in right now, we have Jude Mozinegbe joining me right there via Zoom. Great to have you, Jude. Happy Independence.
Thank you, Ladi. Happy Independence. Thank you for having me on board today.
Fantastic. So, yeah, we're 63 now. We've seen blockchain, and crypto gaining attention for the past about 7 or 10 years. Now, what role do you see blockchain playing in Nigeria's future?
Fantastic. So over the years, we've seen, like you just said, the role of blockchain, the growth of blockchain, and how it's been pioneering businesses in Nigeria. Prior to this time, the sentiment of blockchain was towards crypto, but now we started seeing that blockchain can power many other industries. So that's given us hope that in a few years from now, we can see government getting involved in blockchain, which has already started happening with the National Blockchain Strategy, which is an offshoot, of the National Startup Act. Also, we have seen private organizations looking at blockchain. We can have blockchain power agriculture that will also help in terms of logistics as well. And the entire value chain of agriculture can be streamlined using blockchain. Blockchain has a huge use case for medicine, for pharmaceuticals, and many other things. We can see blockchain a lot in fintech, in remittances. Good thing, government is embracing it, and that's why we saw the CBN introduce the central bank digital currency. So with that, there's a merchant side we know, and there's a user side. So with that, we can see a faster settlement time between banks, between commercial banks and between the commercial banks and the central bank. A good thing to note is that Nigeria is about the first country, arguably, to have released a central bank digital currency. So we will see lots of blockchain activities in various industries and sectors coming years from now.
Right, we'll definitely be looking forward to that. Thank you so much. But, there's a lot of volatility, in the crypto market. I'm hoping, this volatility would make Nigerians poorer. What do you think? Hello, Jude.
Well, in every market, yes. I'm with you. Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you now. I lost you for a bit, but I can hear you now.
Okay, great. So like I was saying, in every market, there's always volatility, right? The percentage or the extent of the volatility is what matters. So in the crypto market, it's not different because market forces must act on every player in the market. Yes, for now, crypto may be a little bit volatile, but there are instruments to put in place, right? When trading in the crypto market, it's not different from real estate. It's not different from the foreign exchange market. It's not different from other commodities markets, right? But when the right tools are put in place, there are safety measures that can guide traders and players in that space from experiencing sharp losses.
Right.
Now, crypto is not a tool that will make people poor. If they understand the fundamental approach to it, it's a tool that will bring financial inclusion. It's a tool that's able to reach the less banked. I don't usually say unbanked because people have banking services these days, just that those services may be not at par, right? So with crypto, there can be financial inclusion.
Right.
Now, it is when people approach crypto with a get-rich-quick scheme, and I always say that they get their fingers burnt. And whenever they see a project, if it's too good to be true, obviously it's not.
All right. All right, Jude. Thank you so much. So much to unpack there. We've definitely run out of time. Thank you so much, Jude Ozinigbe. That's the CEO right there, Cyberchain. Great. Thank you so much for coming on the show today. Thank you. All right, so that's it on the show today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, 1:30, we'll have Business Incorporated. You get more updates and developments in the world of business. And don't forget, you can watch this again on our YouTube channel. Just flip over to YouTube, search for Channels Television, and you can watch all our production. Thank you again for watching. I'm Ladi Williams. Have a profitable day.